Oh, hey, uh, it's 12:15 a.m. Need a little bit of a snack. Peanut butter sounds pretty good, but it just doesn't fill all the niches. We've got to be a little quiet, so I've got a little plan. I mean, sure, we could just do the normal peanut butter toast. That's kind of a great thing for just about anybody, but you know what? We've got to use the eating plebeian treatment on something this week. I think this is going to be it. I've got a couple of pieces of bread. I've got some peanut butter over here. You can use either the creamy or the crunchy type. And considering what we're about to do to it, the crunchy just might work or might even be too much. And we've also got some honey over here on the side. And lastly, we've got granola cereal with, it's got dates and raisins and stuff in it. So that's going to help us out a lot. All right, here we go. This is starting off pretty much as you could expect. We keep lots of peanut butter in the house because it's a good addition for my huskies who need a lot of oil in their diet. All that hair support. Good Lord, the glitter is everywhere. You have no idea what it takes to clean this kitchen and, for that matter, the rest of the house with all of the husky glitter that gets around. So we're just gonna put this on nice and thick. Let's not be stingy now. So we're just gonna put that on. And we'll go for the other one. My son's somewhere else in the house right now. He wanted a piece. So we're all just kind of sneaking around, not wanting to wake up mom on a school night. There we go. All right. Now, our second mode of address, simply going to be our cereal. This is such a crazy thing. I don't know why people haven't thought about it before, or maybe they have, but I haven't seen it. I just want to make sure that I get some of the dates and raisins in here. Yeah, we're just going to put on a layer. It doesn't have to be too much, but I want some crunch on this thing. Here's one. And there's the other. All right, everyone. Now off back to the toaster oven. As we're putting these things on, we're just gonna toast them like you normally would for almost anything else. Put them on in here and hope that I can get this thing to work because the control dials are iffy. And start. There's all sorts of things that you can do with this stuff. Now, if you don't want to use cereal, completely understandable. Regular granola works nice. Some things that you can add to peanut butter toast. You can use sliced apples, pears. You can even go the banana and bacon route if you want to pull off the Elvis special in the middle of the night. That's very popular. But we're going for this type of treatment. So, you know what? We're going to see how this works out. Yes. All right, everyone. I'm going to grab a spatula here because, well, toast is technically hot. But the peanut butter here is also going to be quite hot and almost like lava. So I'm just going to plate these up over here to the other side. And then finally, we need to do something with our honey. Now, we really don't want to use too much of our honey. We've got lots of sugar that's going on inside of the peanut butter, and that's actually going to get brought out quite a bit by the heat of the toaster oven. It kind of brings it all on out. But I'm just going to kind of drizzle some lines here so it's not too overwhelming. And get that on there. And this is our late night peanut butter crunch toast. This is just amazing. You can smell it long before you actually set mouth to it. I'm gonna have to get some more honey. So now that it's had a chance to cool a little bit, our peanut butter toast that's been elevated quite a bit is ready for consumption, and this is something I've been actually looking forward to all night. Oh God, yes. Try this out. Use the granola cereal if you want to. Definitely get the ones with the raisins and the dates in it. I've got to be quiet. But anyways, thanks a lot. Hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Helps me out. Huge. You have a good night. I will see you tomorrow.